Screencastify video. You are going to start by finding the red arrow icon with the movie camera in it. If it's not up here, look under the puzzle piece and you should find it down here. If you've never done this before, you will need to answer some questions and allow your microphone and webcam to be accessed by this app. You can embed your webcam or not, and you click record. I'm going to select entire screen. You'll know that you're recording when you see a red dot up here by the Screencastify icon. There you see it, and I am recording. So I will record my music with Screencastify. And when I'm done, I will stop sharing. It will take me to the editor. So I will record my music with Screencastify. And I can rename it. Congas and Cowbell. And then I can share it to Classroom. And I'll explain about that in another video.